All right, so welcome back. We don't send you 7 type of annoying people where we don't actually meet for Inside Webudo Nigeria. Now, time for us to yarn you the Kajat people where we get inside the studio. But Yana, let us know the confirmed people where we get.
Okay, we get very confirmed, like we talked, 2 confirmed people waiting for inside our midst. They don't do plenty for inside we movie industry. One a director and another one a assistant director of one particular movie where they want sunch us about. And this one person where they talk about, they call him Asaf, in win one Ogbonge award for inside the Africa Movies Choice Viewers Award.
That's magic.
Africa, I don't want to call him complete.
Okay, that's true. That's
Africa
true.
Movie Choice Viewers Award. And the other one, they call him Udua. Welcome to Talk Talk Studio.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very
So
much.
finally, we see the Asaf, very small.
Very smallish.
Small but mighty.
Very
Because
smallish.
him na assistant director, him na cinematographer, him na editor,
3,
him na dada,
4.
him na
And
small.
the dada gets a
You
shape.
can't get swagger for side too.
Raise and small,
More,
me they say.
more.
Just
You know.
wow.
I did learn work. I dey learn.
Na true, your dada dey learn. Your dada be like Chris man. No?
They call him baby dada.
Okay, so now more we come to the business of the day. Only you, small but mighty. They say dynamite comes in small comes in small
I never see
packages.
dynamite.
He don't do now. You don't say dynamite.
But you know what now? The point where I want to come outside now is I know say when you win now they read your title with Betty and then call say you be this, you be that, you be this, you be that. And I know say on top of this show when we do the Wednesday show, we they talk about Juliet Ibrahim Abi. We say because of her career she no feel.
Yes.
Yes, say one relationship. Now you with this plenty title where you don't pack for yourself, you get relationship, and if you get how you take the merge the two together.
Don't lie, oh.
Important
I
question.
cannot lie.
Please.
For live TV, I get wife. I get Peking.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Very
Now, really small but
Revelation.
mighty.
But they
Really
met
small
me
but mighty.
when I did also well. So they understand how my waka dey be. So most times,
Most times, no computer.
most times, you know, you just have to spend more.
I won't pick
Make
him
sure
from
everybody
where
be
she
alright.
actually drop him as they hot. You say you get wife and you get Pekin. Now this your marriage it affects your work in any way.
Never,
It
yes,
reduces you because some
never.
people they talk say, oh, you know what? I not feel married for this industry because if I marry, it will reduce my productivity for inside my career.
Oh, productivity. That production we they do so productivity dead the body. They in a natural. So you know they affect my relationship.
At all.
At
So
all.
now that you dey talk since, no we hear from Uduak. Uduak, how far? Relationship day?
Oh yes, nah. I don't marry now.
You don't mind? And now, wow, all of them are taking.
Wait,
Wait,
let's
What
start from here. How
happened?
many wife?
One wife.
How many girlfriend?
No
no
girlfriend.
You think?
No, wait. They be like say no where the direction of the
Yes,
question.
that's not why. Yes.
Okay, how many concubine?
No concubine. This one fast. I'm so waiting.
But that girlfriend.
No
Make I
girlfriend.
ask una this
brother.
question as since una don't actually marry. How una feel say as a director, producer, actor, and cinematographer, editor, how you fit actually manage your marriage for inside this industry? Because we don't see a lot of people get them wrong.
Well, for the very beginning, your partner guys understand the kind of job what you dey do. Me, they very lucky. Me and my wife will be classmates from university. We study theaters together.
Wow.
So she don't understand. She did the industry. She a radio presenter. She be actor. She be writer. So she understand how the industry they go. And that understanding, you will draw line between your marriage, your relationship, and your work. And one thing we both of us don't agree, we know they bring our matter come outside. Our matter and our matter. Nobody know our matter. Where would they stay? Nobody know. We just know say, you be industry person, all of us the industry, work now work, marriage now marriage, home now home. And so it's very easy. You just got to get that understanding, say, my life now my life, work now work. Within the private, keep on private. Simple.
But what about those going on? Because now your wife understands you because she did for inside the industry and she understands how they go. Because I know as director, when I feel enter Kafashan now to go film and whatever,
yeah.
she understands that kind of movement. I don't know whether you married the same person we did for the industry.
No.
So how you take manage am?
Me and my wife now from church, so just Uda don't already talk the major part of it, but just to portray this, you must be able to, you must know how to differentiate your work from your real life. Like majority of people that knows me wouldn't even know that I have a child, talk less of me
I
being
don't know if you
married.
don't
I
marry.
know you go say you don't marry.
You understand? Apart from people that are very close to me.
PJ.
But the idea be say you must make sure say at least separate your real life from your work life, and you must never suffer any one of them.
Yeah.
You must be able
Very
to
important.
balance them.
Okay, moving away from there now,
Yeah.
for inside the movie industry, a lot of people they always talk, say, you know, it's in all these directors, all these producers, not to sleep with girls up and down. Anybody who won't get role,
wow.
if they don't get onshore and offshore dichotomy, they don't go give you the role. Even when you want them, how true?
I don't,
Your church mind, no.
Honestly.
Not based on you, based on the industry where you did. Tell me who
It
to work.
It dey. Those kind of people dey. But you will won't be actor. You guys, this one I go tell you as my friend Judy they talk am. Waiting you want do for inside industry. Waiting you can't find. Waiting bring you come. Waiting be your motive. Waiting be your aspiration. Waiting be your number one intention as you dey come industry. People dey industry to find fame, and they could do anything
Everything.
to get that fame. People get talents. They find where to express their talents. All right. And for me, I go tell you, say, before you go any audition be like interview for work now. You go gas research the audition. Know whether the people they do the audition, whether they be real. All those people they ask you pay money for audition, those ones
say,
they get stressed
that's
off for
what got
head.
you.
Then the director will tell you, say, we go tell you, say, before I give you role, you guys do, I got sleep with you. You say you first of all
Look the person.
ask yourself, now like this I want to take enter
This career.
because once you start, you know they stop. You know they stop. And this industry, kiss and tell. Everybody they kiss, they tell. You chop, you mash banger, you tell your fellow guy, that one. Now easy thing. Instead go, you want me star B? You say follow me mash banger now. So as a person, as person we want to enter this industry, you guys understand yourself first of all. Know what's be your motivation. Know what they drive you. Know what they move you. Know what they find. Know what they find. And I go tell you true. No be like say, even before I become director, when I still they follow people, they roll cable because I grew up the ranks, you know. I did roll cable. From cable, I started to do clapperboard. From clapperboard, I started to do production manager. Production manager, I started to produce, I can't direct. When I see the roll cable, all those, some girls like this, because they see you say, you they rub shoulders with the producer, they can't tell I won't get role. And they'll come, they offer themselves. At that point, me say, I like, wait if you see me forgive you now. I become a production assistant, but you're willing, you are ready to sell your soul to me. Abana. That kind of person, you don't already know, say, you know, we'll go far.
Did you do any?
You actually asked that question. I
Bros, I tell you, okay.
Yes or no?
Honestly.
Yes or no?
Me get my own moral values. I know you do all those kinds of things.
Not even one day.
For waiting
Small
now.
one like this.
For waiting.
Yeah, now you just
As at
want to make
that point, I don't get girlfriend already now.
Hey,
I don't date faithful already. So I don't date committed already. So no need
Oh,
to.
you don't
dey-
date faithful that time.
Okay, faithful days, you never enter industry that time.
On faithful days now.
See, now you the answer Betiana. Wait, Betiana, I know you the
No,
answer.
okay, away from that one now,
Yeah.
Jack, you don't talk plenty. Make I give chairman time, make himself talk small.
Indeed,
Now,
yeah.
inside this industry, you be sabi face, plenty people know you. You still baba word for VCA, where we just talk about now. Tell us, inside this industry, what be your up and down moments?
My up and down moment will be me editing for studio. Because if you ask any editor about editing, most of them always complain. Na brain most time. You are pretty much just creating things we no exist. So the only time I always get into that mood is when I'm on top of computer and I dey try. Sometimes I go just dey work, they go, the thing they smooth. Sometimes the thing will just crash. Nothing they come for brain. And I go don't tell the clients, okay, your video go ready tomorrow. So if I can't say the video no go ready tomorrow, I have no genuine excuse to say, okay, your video no go ready. So those moments only come in post-production. But for shooting, that one like fun to us.
Still talking about the movie
jump.
industry. This one I just want to know. Maybe plenty people won't actually know. As directors wanna be, how wanna take they actually give title to movie? Because I am tired of seeing movie like Undertaking. And then you watch the movie, you know they see any Undertaking inside, or you see movie like Fali Pompon, and then you watch the movie, as in the title.
How wanna take they give them
title?
different levels of creativity. There are different levels of creativity. Creativity get levels. You know, for us, we believe say the title matter. Title
Yes,
matter.
very
Title
important.
supposed to tell you something about the movie. Or tell you something we know the movie, but the title supposed to whet your
relate.
appetite for the movie. Like this my guy here, he do one film, A Day with Death. Everybody they wonder how you go spend a day with death. And our new film, Just Not Married, people they ask who marry, who not marry, why they not marry, waiting be the knot for the inside, you know, all those kind of questions.
As in suspense, they but a lot of Nigerian movie, you don't already see the title, you will not say, okay, this person go die at the end. This one go happen.
And sister, if you see the one where you say person go die at the end, this one go happen, that one go, you go hear something like Anambra Girls.
Hey,
I don't understand them as
No,
well.
that one not even dey painful
Lagos
as much
girls.
as when part 1 and part 2 na this name, when part 3 and part 4 come
Oh,
outside.
you go
No,
hear
you go for
Anambra
Anambra
Girls.
Girls.
So later you go come hear these girls come
in the
again.
production aspect, totally, who they actually pick the title of a movie?
Well, now the writer
Okay.
supposed give title to the film, but
Producer
sometimes
too, they get
producer
influence.
go get a different title
Okay.
when go want, and all those kind of titles we not they mention now. So chairman day we dey decide that thing.
Because
They
now
want
they
to
bring
sponsor
the
the
money.
Now
That
then
name
they
go
bring the
sell,
money now.
oh.
So now they call the shots. Now they get mouth for everything. So they say, no, I know
Now
like
that
this.
name
title,
go
I know
sell,
like-
oh.
Now this particular name go sell.
Now,
Like
wow.
that time where Ebola they reign. You know how many Ebola films come
Ebola.
out.
All right, so on that note, make we just pass more break. This show still remain talk, I bet, because we dey actually talk for you. Please.
My sister.
Before we change them to, which time name we should change them
With
to?
the yarn.
Life matter.
Or something else. We're going to need to pass more break. Now, when we come back after the break, they go tell us the movie where they get for hand. And if really this movie, you go fit to know waiting day for inside. The title, you go fit know waiting day for inside the movie when they come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.